Yo, I had no idea it rained. We're gonna go back to the normal spot.
Who's doing it, bro?
Good morning to you all, beautiful people. If you have not yet watched the last video, or if you're watching this video way after I uploaded, maybe it's not the last video, but that taillight install video, go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna put it top link in the description because we made these amazing, actually let me show you guys. Matthew, the owner of AutoTune Customs, made these fully customized Danny Z RGB taillights for the 370Z. I believe they're the world's first RGB taillights for the 370Z. If I am wrong though, let me know down below. Yeah, we went ahead, did a full install, figured out how everything worked. Just did a full video on the taillights. But there's one thing that we didn't do that video, which I'm really upset about. We got nobody's reaction to the taillights, but today that's gonna change. But the only problem is how exactly you're gonna show somebody lights when it is 88 degrees and it is 12:03 p.m. So we're gonna have to wait till nighttime. That means we got about 6 hours to kill some time. Yo, it's raining! Who texted me? Back and buys, pretty good workout. So Josh is actually in the area right now, so he's gonna be the first bro to look at the lights. Good, yeah?
Good. Yeah. How do you get them so clear?
So he took everything apart and he actually painted the housing black. And then these are acrylic, I think. The material.
No, I'm talking like the red lens.
I don't know actually.
Like, dude, you see how like perfect it is?
Yeah. No, he did a great job, dude.
What's the app called?
Ghost lighting.
Ghost lighting.
Yeah.
I was wondering what controller you were using.
Yeah, so this one.
There was one, it was like way down on your list in your video. I thought it was so cool. Yeah, that one, dude.
Yeah.
So badass. Can I see a video of it?
Yeah, go for it. Dude, Josh posted these before they were even made or sent out. I was like, yeah, they were surprised, but you're good, bro. No worries.
No, I took it down after like an hour. I took it down.
No, they're awesome though, yeah.
Dude, it's so funny how I found it, right? So I'm just sitting on Instagram, and this kid messaged me. He's like, hey, are these Danny Z's? And he sent them to me.
Yeah.
And the page had like 50 followers or something.
Yeah,
yeah. Like, I have no idea. And then I'm looking at them like, holy shit, these are awesome, regardless if they're Danny Z's or not.
Yeah,
I'm putting it on my story. Yeah, because the kid saw
the name, yeah.
And he's like, yo, is this his? I'm like, I have no idea, but I'm putting that on my story.
It like combines everything into one, yeah. I don't know how to do it very well yet, but here, yeah, it's through this phone.
Yeah. That's badass, dude.
Alright, peace out to the homie Josh. We were talking about some potential carbon fiber parts for Brittany, so pretty hyped. Also, he absolutely loved the tail lights. It's pretty funny because he's like one of the first that saw it. And as you guys heard, he wasn't even trying to see it. My battery just died. But before you blame it on tail lights, my battery is like 3 years old and I left it on for like 30 minutes with the lights. I hate my life. Stupid freaking battery. Watch, when I get there, how much you want to bet they're going to say they can't charge it?
Yeah, it just says charge and test. It doesn't say it's bad. Put it on the charger, it takes about 40 minutes.
Okay. That's awkward. One time, I thought this was the radio and I put it on neutral and it was bad. Battery's in. Gotta do it to him, dude. Running through the shits like the ones on my chew, so don't get geeked up. This is honestly probably one of my favorite ones. Alright, comment down below right now who you guys think we're gonna go see. And if you do get it right, 20 bucks. This single hint is gonna give away who we're seeing today. Dude, I haven't seen you in like 20 years.
I haven't seen my own goddamn self. Like forever.
So me installing it, I messed up that one, so I gotta send it back.
Why?
Because messing around with the LEDs, well not LEDs, but con lo cable adentro, because I was trying to connect it to that, I messed up something on the inside. So that one doesn't work.
Doesn't like change colors or anything?
Nah.
What did you do?
I know. How do you explain it to them? I'll show you guys when I get home.
Are you allowed to have like different colors in your taillights?
Well, I mean, it's just normal colors. And then if I turn this on.
But when
Well, yeah, this isn't illegal though, but I wouldn't go like this on the street. And you see there's like different modes. I don't know what this one is. Oh, heartbeat, I think it's just kind of sparkle. I like this, no, it's pretty cool.
yeah, it looks like a cop.
And then we got popcorn. You remember when it was like in the beginning stages where I showed you? Yeah. And now it's done, but we gotta send it back.
No, yeah, cause
So how you doing, dude? Are you good? Are you healthy now?
yeah, I'm good. I'm perfect. I mean, I guess I've been perfect, but I had to make sure. I can't put you at risk.
All right, so Brian, what do you think? Headlights, I mean tail lights?
I approve.
1 through 10, what, 1 out of 10?
Nah,
Or
10.
10? There's something I really want to do, which kind of silly, but like I think it's gonna be pretty sick. Okay, so I really want to shoot flames while the lights are like flickering, doing cool stuff. All right, for modes we're gonna use everybody's favorite. Where's it at? Kelly, whatever scope. Oh, that one's sick. Flames or not, we're out. I am not gonna admit that I did that literally like right next to my house, but when I came back, my front two neighbors were on the phone outside. Looking at this right now, what do you guys see that's very, very off? Yeah. It legit looks like you're getting pulled over. Like, look at the reflection. Great thinking, but might be a bad idea because of pretty loud. So the biggest question, the most asked question that you guys asked me from the last video when I installed these is how much do they cost? I'm not gonna say how much they cost because I'm not the one who's selling them. So if you guys want to know how much these cost, or you want your own custom made lights like this for your Z or any car in general, you already know, follow Auto-Tune Customs or just message him on Instagram. He's gonna get back to you and you guys can discuss on the price because I'm not the guy selling it. And I know there's a video where my friends react, but honestly, you guys are my friends and you guys are absolutely loving these. Like, you went crazy and you guys have no idea how happy I am. Matt and I both. We waited such a long time to present these to you, and the fact that you took it in with such a positive manner and you guys loved it and you think it's freaking lit. It's freaking awesome. Another thing you guys asked me, and even Brian asked me, is are these illegal? Honestly, they're not illegal as long as you're running the normal red brake lights, the white reverse light, and then just red lights, red and white lights. It's not illegal. But if I'm feeling edgy and I go outside like this, that's mega illegal. Actually, that's probably tweaking you guys out. Let's change it to like a nice, soothing, just relax, just and these ones just make me want to go. So next thing I gotta explain to you guys, which 100% my fault. The left tail light is not working, but the right one is. Like, this one is working, but only like this middle piece, because this and this is completely different. Of course, you guys are, actually I'm gonna turn these off before my car battery dies again. So basically what we believe happened is, in the process of me connecting the third brake light to this light right here, I messed up one of the LED connections, and if you know anything about LEDs, if the first one's done, the rest are done. So it happens. It's completely my fault. It's not Matt's fault. And the most annoying part is that he does need to open it up again and just fix one little thing. Imagine just having to open up a whole tail light just to fix one little cable. I'm an idiot. Matt, I'm sorry, bro. It's alright. I'm gonna get this one shipped out to him probably tomorrow morning. Danny. Ooh, I almost forgot though. I really want to show you guys kind of like a brief overview as to how this works. So this tail light, everything is inside this one, and this one controls everything. And then there's a cable, like I showed you guys, that comes across and just connects to this one. And to do all these cool animations and everything, we're using the Ghost lighting. Basically just connects to the Bluetooth. Here's preparing to sync, syncing to Ghost. These are all the modes that I have, but basically you click on this like little car logo. It lets you control your turn signal color, how you want the animation to be, parking light color, brake signal color, all the animations. You can switch the colors through here. And then this other setting here is like little blocks. It basically lets you control like if you want the LEDs on or off, if you want that side on, this side off, just everything in general. Here's where you can create like all the little motion graphics you wanted to do. You can also combine them, which I didn't know you can see right there. I do 1, 2, 3, or 2, 3, 4, and then I click play down here, and it just kind of combines them together, and it just does that crazy stuff. And then you can also like control if you want the LEDs to look bigger, smaller, if you want, it's just you can do so many things. Oh, it's pretty cool. It kind of stops, comes on, and then it starts going crazy. I'm still trying to figure it out, so I mean, it's not gonna show you guys that much, but I hope you guys kind of like get like a nice little overview. Yeah. Ah, Kira, the car. You don't like Brittany? Why you hitting Brittany? Oh, yo, she's out here, dude. All right, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and come here, you gotta add to this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a big thumbs up if you haven't already. Be sure to subscribe down below. Again, thank you guys so much for supporting the channel recently. We're gonna hit 100K by the end of the year. All thanks to you guys. You think we're gonna hit it? We're gonna hit it? All right. Oh my gosh. She's wild, man. Thank you guys so much for watching again. Peace out and hasta luego. Stay safe out there.